welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be me and my boyfriend doing the, I don't know what to call it, him showing me images and me trying to guess what they are because I'm blind. I think my vision's like a negative 4.5 at this point, if you know what that means in vision. So yeah, I just took my contacts out. I have my glasses here. And basically he's gonna show me some images and I'm gonna show you guys on the screen what they are blurred so you can guess along with me, and then if I get it right or whatever I guess it is, then he'll reveal it, he'll show it to me, or I'll put my glasses on and you guys will be able to see what the clear picture is. I just thought it would be like kind of like a fun game, and also to help people who don't understand blind people a little bit better. So yeah, because I can't even see myself in the viewfinder. I look like a blob. It's moving.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not moving. It looks like a dragon. Looks like a orange bed with like teeth, or like white fangs coming into it. Like it's sitting in a mouth of teeth, and then there's like a head, an orange head, and maybe it's like throwing fireballs outside its mouth. Is that right?
I don't know what you described. I have no idea what you
No? Should I put my glasses on?
It's not right at all.
Okay. Oh my god, wow, okay. That was, wow, okay. Okay, so the reason why I thought it was a fireball, because the blinking looked like it was a ball of orange moving, because it's like a unison, so it looked like it was passing. So it looked like a ball of orange getting thrown, and it looked like the top where the eyeballs are looked separated from the eyeballs. It looked like a space of white. I didn't even see anything. I didn't even see the dots, and it looked like a dragon head, and the little like fins looked like teeth, like a negative space teeth. Looks like a goat with a green background and like a little goat underneath it, or maybe it's a deer. I think it's a goat. And like there's something in between it, and I'm guessing it's like a baby goat in between its legs. Am I right?
It's a llama.
Oh. So I thought that thing between his legs was, it's just its leg. I thought it was another llama or another goat. The leg on the inside, I thought it was like another llama. I mean goat. It looks like a man outside wearing blue, like a blue sweater and a red, something red. I'm thinking like a red hat. It's holding like a mirror. It looks like he's holding a mirror, and there's like a red thing behind him. I don't know what it is. It looks just like something red. It looks like he's outside. In front of him, it looks like it's grass, and whatever's behind him is dark, so it doesn't look like it's the sky. It looks like maybe something's behind him, like a building or something. But yeah, it looks like a man holding a mirror with a red hat. There's something right here that I can't figure out what that is. It looks like it might be like a cat on his head or something. It looks like some type of animal is on his head, and then there's like a beanie red hat behind him. Is that right? No?
Describe that again.
To me, my first thought was a Smurf, because he's blue. He looks blue. But it looks like a man wearing a blue like top. And he's walking, and he's like holding a mirror, and he's wearing a red beanie. There's something red behind him, like maybe like a little girl wearing red or something, but I can't tell because I can't see a face. I just see red. And then like some type of animal sitting on his head, like a cat or something. Is that wrong? That's wrong.
That's pretty close.
Is it close?
Kind of.
His hair on his head looked like an animal. Okay, the red cape looked like a hat. Wow. Okay. The cape looked like, oh, it looked like he was holding a mirror. That's funny. Okay, so that's the side. Okay, so I have no idea what that is, but it looks, based off the colors, it looks like on one side of it, it's blue. And then there's like this thing going across it that's red. And like at the point where they meet, it looks like it's purple. Like it looks like two stripes. Like one going down, one going diagonal. And where they meet, it's purple. There's something in the middle that's like beige, yellowish. It looks like it, I don't really know what it is. It looks like a piece in the red and a piece in the blue. And I can't really see like what's going on in the corner. It looks like kind of a flag. What is it? I can't tell what it is. Oh. That's weird how my eyes made the colors like this, like a purple, and it didn't even turn purple. I can't tell what it is, but based off the colors, it looks like something on the bottom is like coming up. And then there's like a tall, I think I know what that is. Is that Aphrodite?
Yeah.
Okay. My first thought was that it was a trophy, but I don't think it's that. I think it looks like it's like a pale yellow in the background. Looks like a pedestal somebody's standing on, and he's doing like this. Some man. I can't really see his head, but I just see like it looks like a suit, or might be like a suit, and he's like that. Is that right?
You said it's on a man on a pedestal.
It looks like a pedestal.
His hands up
and just like this. Yeah.
It's interesting. No, that's not right at all.
Let me see. My pant glasses are dirty. Oh, that's a chihuahua. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. That's funny. It looked like the part where his head is, it looked like it was a very busty man. And then his ears, because they're like going in weird directions, looked like he was doing this. It's like a loaf of bread. Like a sub loaf of bread. The background looks white, like there's a white background at the top, and then right here.
Sure.
I don't know. There's some like darker brown spots in the middle, but I can't. It looks like there's like a design. Like you know how sometimes bread, like where people make bread, they put like a. Well, it's not even, they don't make a design, but when it breaks down the middle, it like creates a design. I guess. It looks.
You sure?
I cannot tell what it is at all. It looks like it's like a beige color with some orange hints, and it's like it looks like a loaf of bread with like some design down the middle. No, not close.
I didn't say anything.
Let me see. Oh, I was actually kind of right.
Yeah.
But it looked, the whole thing looked like a loaf of bread. And I didn't even see that bottom part. Like that bottom part where it's sitting on looked like it was a part of the bread. Is that me?
What?
Is that me?
Is that your guess?
It looks like me. It looks like me when my hair was long and I'm taking a selfie.
Okay. That's your guess?
That's me, yeah. It looks like me in college when I used to wear my hair long black. And it looks like I'm wearing a fur coat, but I didn't wear fur coats in college. And I'm holding a phone and I'm like taking a selfie.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's what I thought. Where'd you find that picture?
Google Images.
Really? You Googled me and you found me? That's so weird. Not found me, but like found that picture of me? That's so weird. Is that SpongeBob?
No.
No?
Is that your guess?
Alright, the reason I'm thinking of SpongeBob is because there's a red background with a big yellow boxy looking thing with like spots in it. It doesn't look like circles, but it looks like dents or something. And then it's like a white piece and then like a brown piece. That's why it looks like SpongeBob, because it's like kind of like his color schemes. Is it him? No? Oh wow, it changes it up. It looks like a red background still with yellow, but like it looks like some artist took a block of paint, like just painted a block of paint, and then took the back of a brush and like drew on it to make like scribble. If that makes sense. Is it the SpongeBob where he's like, you know, where he makes the like, you know, when people are like, woo, like making fun of people? Is it that SpongeBob?
Well, that's...
like the stupid SpongeBob?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.
I'm about to show you.
Oh wow, it's cool.
Yeah. Pretty scary.
Alright, wow.
Yeah.
It still looks like SpongeBob. And it's weird because it looks green when I put my glasses on, but it doesn't look green when I'm looking at it. It looks yellow, like the whole thing looks yellow. Let me see it again? 'Cause I don't even know where the white and the brown part came from. I think it's probably the bottom of the picture. Oh, that like white space, like the where the light is shining on it, it looks like the white shirt.
Can you see it?
I can see it now, yes. That's so weird. That's so strange. At first, I thought it was something black over here, like a person standing, and then maybe there's something in the middle, but I can't decide what it is. And then maybe a person on the side doing something else. Then my vision kind of like went like this, and now I feel like it's just one thing in the middle. Looks like a black person wearing white face. Or like a black person with white makeup with a crown and a peacock. That sounds stupid, but like that's what it looks like. It looks like a black woman wearing all white makeup with a white crown.
You think it's white chicks?
Maybe, because it looks like a African woman, like a queen, wearing white makeup. Or maybe even a king with a crown with a white robe. And there's like a peacock, like a black peacock. And the reason why I think it's a peacock is it looks like a bird, like right here. And then it has like this tail. It looks like peacock tail. And then I can't, behind it on this side, it kind of looks like clouds or like water, like the ocean. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh my god, it's a cat. Well, I was right about the crown part. Wait, where did I get the peacock part? Oh, because the faucet looked like the head of a bird, and then its brown part of its body looked like the body of the bird. So it looked like the head, and then it had a little neck, and then that was the body of the bird. And then the face looked like a black person in a white face with a white outfit. I didn't even see the toothpaste. The toothpaste looked like a river. Yeah, wow, that's crazy. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I'm officially blind, even though I did a better job than I thought. I thought anyway. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year. I have another video coming out before the New Year's actually up. And yeah, thanks babe for being a part of my video in the background.
Yep.
And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.